Assalamu alaikum. So in this problem, we are given an array. We can swap two elements of this array if their XOR is less than 4. Okay. So we have to print the lexicographically smallest array that we can get by doing this swap operations in a number of times. So if we look on this portion, when will the XOR of two elements less than 4? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. If we see its binary, the binary will be like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so the only difference is in this portion, in these two bits, but the rest of the bits are same for 0, 1, 2, and 3. If we consider 0 and 3, their XOR will be 1 1, which is 3. If we consider 3 and 1, their XOR will be 2. So if we take any two elements from this, we always get an XOR which is less than 4. Okay, now 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 is 1, 0, 0. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 6 is 1, 1, 0. 7 is 1, 1, 1. If we consider these portions from this bit to the rest of the bits, all are the same for 4, 5, 6, and 7. But only change is in these two bits. Okay, so these two bits is very much similar to this 0, 1, 2, 3, this portions 2 bit. Okay, so for these four numbers, if we take any two number, their XOR will be less than 4. The same happens for 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we can group this like this: 0, 1, 2, 3 is first group, 4, 5, 6, 7 is another group, 8, 9, 10, 11 is another group. So in this group, any number divided by 4 equals 0. uh, 3 by 4 maybe 0 point something, but if we take only the integer portion, it will be 0. Again, in this case, any number divided by 4 is 1. In this case, any number divided by 4 equals 2, and so on. So we can only swap if the group number is same for these two numbers. If we see an example, here is 2, 7, 1, 5, 6. So the group number will be 0 here. The group number 7 by 4 equals 1. So here the group number is 1. Here the group number is 0, as 1 by 4 equals 0. Here the group number is 1. Again, here the group number is 1. So what we can do? We can only swap elements between the same groups. Okay, so if we sort these portions where the group number is 1, it will become 5, 6, 7. And if we sort, as I am swapping any number of times, so I can basically sort those elements. Okay, so If I sort the group number 0 portion, so I can get here 1 and here 2. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for this particular array. So what we are doing, we are firstly grouping the elements, then sorting the elements, and then printing the final array. But here is a problem, as the value of AI. That means the element can be very large. It can be of 10 to the power 9 range. So if I like to group them, and I like to store them in 2D array or something, or 2D vector, I cannot do it. I cannot do it locally or globally. So I need to consider any other data structure that can store it. So this data structure is map. I have to use the map. And okay, so if I again see the uh, example, uh, okay, so I will take a map. The key of this map will be integer, and the value will be a vector of integer. Okay, so here what we have seen is, it is in group 0, it is in group 1, it is in group 0, it is in group 1, it is in group 1. So what we will do, we found here it is in group 0, so we will store in 0 key, the we will store the value 2 here. It is basically a vector. Okay, when we come here, we get the key 1, and in this vector we store 7. Again, when we come here, 1 is stored, then 5, then 6. 5 and 6 will be stored here. Okay, after that we will sort the vectors. So it will become 1 2 after sorting, and it will become 5 6 7 after sorting. Okay, now we traverse from n to 1. This is the nth element, this is the first element. If we consider, we traverse in backward actually. Okay, now we got 6 here, and 6 is in group 1. So what we will do, we will use the key 1 and access the vector and see the last element. We will delete the last element and store it in another array. Let's say this array is answer. Okay, now again we came to group 1, and we delete the last element of this vector and print the and store the last element in this array. Here group 0, so 2 will be deleted, and here group 1, so 5 will be deleted and we'll put here group 0, so 1 is deleted, and here. So this is the answer. Okay, so uh, now if we see the conic portion, uh, first of all, test case is given, then n is given, n is the size of the array, then the elements of the array are given. Okay, so we are taking a map. The element the key is long and the corresponding value is vector. Okay, so as we mentioned earlier, we are grouping it by dividing by 4, and uh, as the value is vector, we are using pushback. Okay, now we are sorting all the vectors. Now we are traversing from backward and accessing each element again and finding their group. The group is stored in X, and deleting the uh, okay, first of all, we are storing the uh, last element of that vector in answer and deleting that last element. Okay, and then we print the answer array. Okay, thank you.